his worksheet. We're going to be doing number 11, 13, and 15. First, we're going to do number 11. Number 11 is what percent of 128 is 24? And if you know the trick that he showed us, it says what percent, so that means we don't know the percent. But we always know a percent is over 100. And of 128, so the of is on bottom. So we're going to put it on bottom. And then the is always on top. So 24 would be on top.
You've been getting zeros.
You circle 128 and x and times 128 times x, which would be 128x, and then you would divide that by 128, and then you would circle 124 and do 100 times 24, which would be 2,400. Right? Yeah. Divided by 128. And if we do 128x divided by 128, it would equal x. And then 2,400 divided by 128 would get us 18.75, but you would round to the, he said for us to round to the nearest tenth, so you would round the 7 up to an 8. And
what's up, Maggie?
your answer for number 11 would be 18.8.
Here.
Okay,
It's really cute.
next we're going to do number 13.
Attention, class. What are you guys doing? Huh?
Now we're doing 13, which is what number?
Keep going.
What number is 20% of 625? So it says what number, so what number, no. Okay, so we would do x over 625 because it says of 625. And it tells us the percent, but not what is, so you just put an x there. So we put 20 over 100, and then we circle 100 and x. What was that? And that we would have to times 100 times x, which would equal 100x, and then we divide it by 100, and then do 625 times 20, which would equal 12,500. and then over 100, and 12,500 divided by 100 is 125. So, 100x divided by 100 would equal x, so we put our x there, and then we put x equals 125. So that's the answer.
No homework.
X equals 125.
Jayla, what are you doing?
Go away, Peter.
What's that?
Peter, go away.
You're filming the video.
Okay, the last one we're going to do is number 15, which is 40% of what number is 36. So it gives us our percent. So we would know 40 over 100 because the percent is the number over 100. And it doesn't tell us our of. So, and our of is on the bottom, so we would just put an X on the bottom of the first fraction. And then we put is, which is 36. We would take 40 times X, which would equal 40X. And then we would have to divide that by 40. And then we take 36 times 100, which all we have to do is add 2 zeros on, which would be 3,600. And then divide it by 40. 40x divided by 40 is x. And 3,600 divided by 40 is 90. So your answer for 15 is 90. That's all of them that we're going to do today. The extra credit is to write Curtis Barnfield with a heart around it by the date and the name in the upper right-hand corner.